Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your favorite browsers. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to change the language in Firefox for 2025. Whether you're switching to your native language, preparing for international travel, or just customizing your browsing experience, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have the latest version of Firefox installed. It's always a good idea to update for the best features and security. Open up Firefox on your computer. You'll see the familiar interface, so head to the top right corner and click on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From there, select Settings or Options. Depending on your operating system, it might say one or the other. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the General section. That's where most of the basic preferences live. Look for the Language subsection. It's usually right there, easy to spot. Click on it, and you'll see a list of currently available languages. If your desired language isn't there, hit the Choose button or Add Languages to search for it. Select the language you want from the drop-down or search bar, and add it to your list. Now, to make it your default, just drag it to the top of the list or use the options provided. Firefox might prompt you to restart the browser for the changes to take effect, so go ahead and do that. And just like that, you're all set. Your Firefox interface should now be in the new language. One quick tip: if things look a bit off or the change doesn't stick, double-check your Firefox updates or clear your cache. This feature is a game changer for multilingual users, making the web more accessible. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Stay curious.